As you can see, unlock up to 400 USDC per month, which is like 400 USD per month by inviting friends. So I will take you through step by step on how you can register and how you can make money on Binance. So stay tuned. So as you all know, this crypto, but on this channel I'll show you how you can make some money for yourself online. So let's go, guys. So after you log into your Binance account, if you don't have Binance account, go to the website binance.com and register. So I will put my referral link in the description below. Make sure you use my referral link to register so you can get some bonuses for yourself. So this is it. You've accumulated 20 USDC. This was 1%. So after I complete 100%, I will be able to withdraw and remain 4 days, 23 hours, 12 minutes for this stuff to end, for this stuff to end. So you have to take action now or never. So tax one, invite new friends to trade over 100 on spot. So ensure your friend register and complete this task within same round of. So you can just go through that to available reward. You can also earn up to 300 USDC awaiting every 30 days. So earn up to 300 by completing 6 mission round within each 30 days period. So this is how you can earn a lot of money for yourself. So as you can see, special bonus which is 90 USDC. This which I just received today, which is, as you can see the time, this is when I received the 19 USDT. You can also receive any amount for yourself. So far you make some referral, some trade and anything on this platform. So the what I want to show you on this platform is how you can also buy crypto and sell crypto on Binance. So make sure you do well to use my promo code. So I will be pasting the link in the description below. You can also use my referral, which is this. You can just copy it and but because I'll be pasting this in the group video, just make sure you stay tuned, make sure you use it because I will get some bonuses from you for myself also. For us to create more of this kind of video for you guys, going to show you how you can make money on this. So very easy to make money on Binance now, and then as you can see, special bonuses 25 USD. I've also make another 25 USD for myself. So what I just need to do is that is by like by withdrawing my bonuses and get it to my bank account. Very easy to earn on Binance USDT if you know the step you need to follow. So again, make sure you do what you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, share to your friends and family for them to gain on Binance, on how to make money on Binance today. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.